Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Putami and my name is 20220027. And now I will explain about conversation in pragmatics. Conversation is like a dance, with the conversational partners coordinating their movements smoothly. For others, it's like a traffic crossing an intersection, involving lots of alternating movement without any crashes. Jadi, conversation itu seperti dance yang membutuhkan partner yang bisa menghasilkan sebuah gerakan yang mulus gitu ya, jadi tidak ada challenge sama sekali. Dan untuk yang lainnya, conversation seperti lampu merah yang ada beberapa gerakan alternatif tanpa menimbulkan tabrakan. Now we start with the definition of conversation. Conversation structure is what we have been assuming as familiar throughout much of the preceding discussion by George Yule, 1996. Before I start the explanation, let me show you the terms that I will use for this moment. Terms of dictionary. Floor is the right to speak. Jadi itu adalah hak untuk berbicara atau kesempatan untuk berbicara. Dan turn is having control of this scarce commodity at any time. Jadi turn itu di saat kita ada kontrol untuk memulai atau menjawab atau mempertanyakan, bisa juga sebuah conversation. Dan turn taking is in any situation where control is not fixed in advance, anyone can attempt to get control. Jadi, turn taking itu di situation di mana kontrol itu belum ditentukan ada di siapa, apakah di speaker pertama atau di speaker yang kedua. Dan local management system is conventionally known by members of a social group. Jadi, adalah anggota dari grup sosial, jadi si orang yang melakukan conversation. Dan transition relevance place or TRP is any possible change of turn point. Jadi adalah kesempatan di mana si turn-nya itu bisa berubah. Dan kita mulai dari pembahasan yang pertama. It is overlap. Overlap is a smooth transition from a speaker to the next seem to be valued. Jadi overlap adalah transisi dari si pembicara kepada seseorang yang memungkinkan atau berkesempatan untuk menjawab. Dan transition with a long silence between turns with substantial overlap, both speaker trying to speak at the same time are live to be awkward. Jadi transisi di mana transisi bisa memungkinkan untuk dijadikan sebuah long silence atau keheningan di antara speaker, atau kedua speaker berusaha untuk berbicara di waktu yang bersamaan akan membuat conversationnya menjadi awkward. Example is Mr. Straight, what's your major, Dave? Dave, English. Silence. Well, I haven't really decided yet. So, you want to be a teacher? No, not really. Well, not if I can help it. What? Where do you and Dave is start the conversation at the same time? It's oh sorry. Go ahead, and Dave take the turn. I am blah 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 blah. And next is attributable silence. Attributable silence is if one speaker actually turns over the floor to another and the other doesn't speak. then the silence is attributed to the second speaker and becomes significant. Jadi di mana keadaan di mana seorang pembicara memberikan kesempatan untuk berbicara kepada orang selanjutnya atau speaker yang kedua, tapi speaker kedua itu tidak mulai berbicara dan menimbulkan keheningan. Contohnya bisa kita lihat di sini. Jen, Dave, I'm going to the store. And there's no answer from Dave. And Jen called Dave again. Dave? Dave? Is there something wrong? And Dave finally answered, What's wrong? Never mind. And next is overlap, communicate closeness. Overlap talk appears to function like an expression of solidarity or closeness in expressing similar opinions or values. Jadi overlap di sini atau keheningan di sini tidak menimbulkan kecanggungan, tapi ini mengekspresikan rasa kedekatan di antara speaker. In situation below show the effect of overlapping talk creates a feeling of two voices collaborating as one in harmony. And the example is, Min, did you see him in the video? Yeah, the part on the beach. And Min, oh my god, he was so sexy. Wendy, he was just being cool. Min, and the all waves crashing around him. And Wendy, yeah, that was really wild. The overlap that appears here is to express their expression of the closeness. Jadi without saying anything, they understand of the expression that they use here. And overlap communicate competition. We start with the example first. Joe, when they were in Bubbles, that's my point, I said. Wait, can I finish? The speakers may appear to be having a discussion, but there are in fact competing over the floor. Jadi para pembicara ini akan melakukan diskusi, tapi mereka berebut untuk berbicara terlebih dahulu. Jadi dibutuhkan penekanan dari salah satu speaker. The point at which overlap occurs is treated as an interruption, and the first speaker actually has to make a comment about procedure with a louder voice shown by the capital letters. Overlap di sini dianggap sebagai interruption. Jadi seorang speaker yang satunya harus membuat penekanan dengan louder voice atau suara yang lebih keras untuk menginterupsi si pembicara keduanya untuk menghentikan pembicaraannya. Itu bisa kita lihat dari si capital lettersnya. And next is back channels. The situation is color. If you see your long distance service a lot, then you will marry. Be interested in the discount I'm talking about because Mary, yeah, color, it can only save you money to switch to a cheaper service. Mary, this type of signals, yeah, provide feedback to the current speaker that the message is being received. They normally indicate that the listener is following and not objecting to what speaker is saying. Jadi, signal di sini yang yeah, and itu merupakan feedback dari si pendengar atau si speaker satunya yang kedua bahwa dia menerima si pesan yang dimaksud oleh speaker 1. Tapi tidak jarang atau seringnya si speaker 1 beranggapan bahwa si speaker 2 ini hanya mendengarkan tapi tidak menyimak apa yang diucapkan speaker 1. Next is conversational style. First is high involvement style. Some individuals expect that participation in a conversation will be very active, that speaking rate will be relatively fast, with almost no pausing between turns and with some overlap or even completion of the other's turn. Jadi high involvement style itu cenderung aktif dan tidak ada jeda di antara turns. Jadi overlappingnya itu sedikit. And the second is high considerateness style. It differs substantially from another style in which speaker use a slower rate, expect longer pauses between turns, do not overlap, and avoid interruption or completion of the other's turn. Jadi kebalikannya dari yang pertama, high considerateness style itu lebih lambat dan ada jeda di antara turns-nya. And next is adjacency pairs. Despite differences in style, most speakers seems to find a way to cope with the everyday business of a social interaction. They are certainly helped in this process by the fact that there are many almost automatic patterns in the structure of conversation. Jadi adjacency pairs itu seperti jawaban template. Jadi kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan satu, pasti kebanyakan orang menjawab dengan jawaban yang sama atau sudah seperti habit lah. Jadi jawabannya itu seperti itu. Bisa kita lihat di sini. The example is Anna, hello. Bill, hi. Anna, how are you? Fine, said Bill. And Anna, see ya. Bill, bye. The adjacency pairs. The adjacency pairs is hello and hi, how are you and fine, and see ya, bye. These automatic sequences are called adjacency. They always consist of a first part and a second part produced by different speaker. Jadi first part dan second partnya itu dihasilkan oleh speaker yang berbeda. Next is insertion sequence. There are 3 types that I will talk about here. The first is form, question 1, question 2, answer 2, and answer 1. I already analyzed the question and answer. A. Do you want the early flight? It is the question 1. And B. What time does it arrive? It is question 2. A. 9:40 until 5. That's the answer from the question 2. And B. Yeah, that's right. That's the answer from the question 1. Next is mix of different sequences possible. A. Could you mail this letter for me? That's a request. And B. Does it have a stamp on it? That's a question 2. A. Yeah, that's answer 2. And B. Okay, the acceptance. And next is also with temporary interactional exit. A. What's the price now with VAT? Question 2. B. I'll just work that out for you. Hold. A. Thanks, acceptance, and 10 seconds later. B. $3.19 a tube, sir. That's a answer from the question. And next is opening section, summons and answer sequences. Child, mommy is a summons, and mom, yes dear, that's the answer. And child, can I have a chocolate? That's the reason of the summons. And other example is A, telephone rings, that's the summons. B, hello, answer plus display for recognition and greetings. A, hi, claim that A recognized B, and oh hi, claim B recognized A. And the last is closing section. The example is, why don't we all have a lunch? Okay, so that will be in St. Jude's, wouldn't it? A, yes. B, okay, so A, 1 o'clock in the bar. Closing implicative topic. B, okay. A, okay. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope it will be useful for you and you can understand what I have delivered to you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.